In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn the Properties palette back on in Revit. If your Properties palette has disappeared or was accidentally closed, don't worry, this quick fix will bring it right back so you can continue working smoothly. The Properties palette is essential because it shows you the parameters for whatever you have selected, from walls and doors to views and sheets. It's where you edit dimensions, constraints, type settings, and visibility options. Without it, making precise changes becomes much harder, so restoring it is a must. Here's exactly what to do. Look to the ribbon at the top of your Revit window and click the View tab. On that tab, find the User Interface menu. It's typically a drop-down on the right side of the ribbon. Open User Interface and make sure the option labeled Properties is checked. The moment you check it, the Properties palette will reappear. When it comes back, you might see it as a floating palette docked on the side or collapsed as a tab depending on your previous layout. If it's floating, you can drag it toward the left or right edge until you see a docking preview and let go to snap it into place. If it's collapsed into a small vertical tab, just click it to expand. You can also resize the palette by dragging its edges so it fits your screen and workflow. A quick note for clarity, the user interface menu contains other useful checkboxes like Project Browser, but for restoring the Properties display specifically, you only need to make sure Properties is checked. If you ever want to hide the palette temporarily to maximize drawing space, you'll use this exact same path to toggle it off and then back on again. If you're working across multiple monitors or recently changed your screen setup, the palette might reappear off to one side or in a minimized state. In that case, glance around the edges of your workspace or look for a tabbed strip along the sides. Restoring visibility is still controlled by that same checkbox in the View tab's User Interface menu. That's all there is to it. Go to View, open User Interface, and make sure Properties is checked. Once it's visible again, you're back in control of your model's parameters and ready to keep building with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy modeling.